Hey guys, welcome back to the episode of JVLOGS. Today we're at water park, me and wifey. She's camera shy. But yeah, over here so for sure. Yeah, it's named Quassy. Quassy water park in Connecticut, where we live. We decided to, check out the place. It's summer now, it's hot, it's a nice day. Yeah, it's amusement park and water park in one, so we get, and it's by like a river or a lake, so that make it fun as well. So I'm gonna show you some views, go in the water, all that nice stuff. So hope you guys enjoy it. So come along with us. Share one, say hello to them. Say sugar. She's shy. You have the ticket, right? Yes, so we're about to go inside and stuff like that. It's still Corona time, but a lot of people vaccinated and stuff like that. So you won't see much mask today, if any at all. But we're taking precaution and stuff. So yeah, it's going to be a good day. So start out the ticket and then catch you guys back. So come back.
Right here.
Yeah. Alright guys, so what we're looking at is the entire park. We're looking at the park map.
Oh, they got a little boat ride.
Yeah, they have a little boat ride.
Do the park first and then we'll go over here?
Yeah, do the water park. Like it's still hot right now.
Like a big flush, so there's probably another. Oh, this looks like another.
Yeah, and it's like water park without a flush though.
So let's do this over here.
Oh, this look nice, baby. Flush it through.
Yeah, but let's do this one first. Over here. Is it recording right now?
Yeah. Control your GoPro. Yeah guys, so hopefully you guys can see what I'm seeing. Trying to connect the Bluetooth to it. Oh, nice. Boop, boop. Yeah. Babe, it's nice. So you can control and see.
That's pretty.
Yeah. So they can actually see.
Right now?
Yeah, live right now. They can see what I'm seeing.
That's pretty.
Yeah. So anywhere my head go, close.
How long do you record for?
Any amount of time. Maybe we can change now?
Change where?
In a bathroom, I have shoes and stuff. Put on my beach pants.
We'll put our back down and change.
So
that's why I was telling you, I don't know why you bring your wallet.
That's why I mean, babe. So while we have go to the park.
You can't do that and come back, I don't think.
Babe, there's a restroom.
But babe, I'm okay where I'm at. Just come.
So we are going to the water park like this, babe?
Babe, when you go in there should be chairs or something. You take your clothes off and you start the water park.
No, that's why they have the bathroom, babe.
No, they don't.
Alright, fine, come.
For you, because you didn't put no clothes on. I'm ready. All I gotta do is take this off.
So wait. Alright, make a change then. This is why you want to do it by yourself.
Babe, because you never been to one before.
So why you gonna change? Why you gonna just take off down there? So why you not make you just change and put on your shoes, your beach shoes? That don't make no sense. So we walk around and take up stuff? Come here.
Baby, no, you never been to one before. You're killing me.
So come back, guys. Alright guys, I'm back now. So you guys see what I'm seeing. Woo! Yeah, check it out.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Oh, what? Oh, that looks busy already. Woo! Oh god, I'm dying if I go on that. More on the.
Let's just do the water park first real quick.
Yeah. I guess that side is closed. umbrella.
Why do you
Look
use
on umbrella.
something softer? Yeah. Why
I don't
don't you
know.
use something softer?
Them those there. Oh, the tube.
I don't know where they're going.
Tube drop off. Oh, tube drop off. Okay. Where do you enter? I'm dead confused.
We're going the wrong way.
Yeah, in the wrong. Where's the entrance?
He's not even looking.
Excuse me.
No, look.
Where's the entrance? Excuse me. Where's the entrance to go on this one? Where's the entrance to go on this one?
I don't know.
You didn't even sure, not sure. Alright. Thanks. Yeah man, that's babe, I'm on space out. Oh babe, I have to carry a tube. You carry a single tube? Bomba, girlie. Girlie? Wait over there. Yeah, come. Wanna go together? Yeah.
I can't trust you.
Come. Come. Ah. Oh, this is nice. This is nice. People are.
I got help with Jesus.
Ah.
I knew, you know, people don't understand you talking.
Nah, babe, the man not here. He must sleep, you know. Sleep on sleep. That's sleep. Babe, that's sleep. Babe, in probably hear somebody that shout out and wake up. That boy in them shades. Yeah. Okay, this is nice.
That man really
Sleep.
Not Jesus.
Yeah. Steps gonna beat me already.
Now go find this one that one time.
Oh, see that sugar? Bomba. Shoot. Oh. Hello.
Damn.
It's about to go down.
Stop it. Oh my God.
Which one is longer? All this one. Ready, sugar? They say.
You want it first, not me?
No man, me have to go behind you.
No?
Yeah, babe. For vlog.
Oh my God.
But in the hole, repeat that.
Yeah. Oh my God, it's so cold.
Baby, did already?
Yeah.
Sir.
Perfect. And then double.
Woo!
You guys ready?
Yeah.
Right. Good luck.
Thanks.
Oh my God.
Oh shit! Oh man!
Oh my God.
Wait, drop on.
It's moving on.
Oh God, that was fun. Yeah. You sit down, babe?
Alright, I'm gonna let you guys are good to go, okay?
You want to put your leg hard there, sir?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Hold on tight.
Oh shit. Oh.
Damn, this whole fast for me. Oh my God. Oh, Jesus. Oh, God. Oh, look out. Damn. One bag of fish. The hair still up on it. Jesus.
Hey guys, so I'm gonna see my face a little bit. Yeah, so been having some fun at the slides and stuff. Now we're in. So it actually have like a beach. It actually have like a little beach thing. It's not even like a lake. It has a lake, so it's on a lake front. This is nice though.
But people have houses like this. Oh yeah, this is people have this one. People like
yeah, so we're on a lake front, so the sand is right there. Everything is back there.
Let me see if I can take a picture.
So it's like on a lake front, and then the lake is shallow, so it's not dirty or anything like that. So that's really good where the lake is concerned. Let me show you guys the water. So this is the water. I'm going to dip under it a little, so you guys can see what's going on with the water. That's the water right there. Yeah. Here's your main sugar.
Don't put me on there.
So sugar here. And we're just having some fun, you know, a nice Friday afternoon. Look how my mom. So yeah. Come let me take one, let me video one picture of me here, so put it on the front of the vlog.
Sure, why not? Hey, take a picture of me.
So somebody that way.
Why couldn't you just take a picture of me here?
Yeah, we can use a picture. Turn it sideways. Yeah, like the picture.
That was